Amazing Cafe Mocha enriched with barley and alkaline is specially created for both coffee and chocolate lovers who want to enjoy their daily cup of coffee without having to worry about the effects of dairy or acid on their bodies. It is not a secret that many people, especially Filipinos, enjoy drinking coffee on a daily basis. Although, drinking too much coffee can do some major damage to our bodies if we're not careful. Coffee is highly acidic and can stimulate the hypersecretion of gastric acids, which can irritate the stomach. Coffee also tends to speed up the process of gastric emptying, which may result in highly acidic stomach contents passing into the small intestine more rapidly than normal, which may then lead to possible injury of the intestinal tissue. These are just a couple effects of daily coffee drinking to the human body. This is precisely why we, at I Am Worldwide, have created Amazing Cafe Mocha enriched with barley and alkaline. Amazing Cafe Mocha enriched with barley and alkaline was formulated to allow everyone to enjoy the benefits of the best Arabica coffee beans, as well as to combat the harmful effects of daily caffeine intake and coffee drinking through infusing it with barley and alkaline. First, Arabica Coffee. Arabica is actually the finest quality of the coffee plant and originated in the highlands of Ethiopia. Some of the health benefits of drinking Arabica coffee are 1. Almost zero calories, which makes it friendly to those who are trying to watch their calorie intake and want to stay slim. 2. Loaded with antioxidants such as vitamin E, which helps reduce the risk of infections and diseases. 3. It contains less caffeine than other coffee beans. And 4. It reduces the risk of cancer and diabetes. Second, Mocha. Mocha is basically the infusion of both cocoa or chocolate and coffee. In our Amazing Cafe Mocha enriched with barley and alkaline, we use cocoa powder in order to give your coffee the perfect chocolatey taste. While it is important to remember that chocolate still contains significant quantities of sugar and fat, cocoa powder has numerous health benefits, and to name a few, we have 1. It is rich in polyphenols. Cocoa is rich in polyphenols which have significant health benefits including reduced inflammation and improved cholesterol levels. 2. It may reduce high blood pressure. Studies reveal that cocoa is rich in flavonols which lower blood pressure by improving nitric oxide levels and blood vessel function. 3. Helps lower risk of strokes and heart attacks. Cocoa can improve blood flow and reduce cholesterol. Eating up to 1 serving of chocolate per day may reduce your risk of heart attack, heart failure, and strokes. So why not have it via our coffee? 4. It has antibacterial and immune-stimulating properties which may benefit your teeth and skin. Cocoa can promote healthy teeth by fighting bacteria that cause cavities, though this does not apply to sugar-containing products. It also promotes healthy skin by protecting it from sunlight and improving circulation. Third, barley. Barley is the only vegetation on Earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. It is recognized by science as the most nutritious of all plant foods, containing a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, chlorophyll, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals that our body requires for the proper functioning of organs and the immune system. In a nutshell, barley promotes good bone health, anti-cancer and colon cleansing substances, immune system revitalization, lowering of cholesterol and blood sugar levels, expediting the healing of your body, and youthful beauty and energy. Fourth, alkaline. Alkaline refers to the pH balance of your body. When your body is in an alkaline state, you are less likely to suffer from chronic diseases. The food and drinks you consume each day have a direct impact on the acid and alkaline balance in your body. This balance is measured by determining your pH value, which tells you if your body's fluids and tissues are more acidic or alkaline. A few benefits of having a balanced body pH are: 1. You suffer less from the common cold and flu. An acidic environment promotes the growth of bad bacteria, yeast, and fungi. The imbalance of your body's good bacteria makes you more prone to getting infections. You will be less likely to suffer from the common cold when your body is in alkaline. 2. Cancer prevention. A major benefit of having an alkaline body state is that you might reduce your risk for developing cancer. When your body is too acidic, oxygen levels are lowered and cellular metabolism stops. This can lead to the growth of cancer cells. Maintaining an alkaline state helps encourage healthy cell turnover, which is the key in the prevention of cancer. 3. Healthy weight. Fruits and vegetables make your body more alkaline, while processed food, sugar, refined carbohydrates, and alcohol make you more acidic. By eating alkalizing foods, you are more likely to maintain a healthy weight. All of the information provided to you contributes to the overall reason why amazing Kape Mocha enriched with barley and alkaline is the way to go. Aside from being formulated with barley and alkaline, a non-dairy creamer is used, making the coffee safe and friendly to use for everyone, including those who are sensitive to dairy products. Not to mention, we also use stevia, a sugar substitute, which is a non-nutritive sweetener that contains little to no calories. Stevia is used as a healthful alternative to added sugar in many meals and drinks. A healthy, chocolatey coffee ready and available for both coffee and chocolate lovers alike who want to enjoy their daily cup of coffee without having to worry about the effects of dairy or acid on their bodies. What more could you want? Choose the healthy coffee daily. Choose amazing Kape Mocha enriched with barley and alkaline.